Hey guys, this is 2003 Humvee. Today I'm trying to replace the power steering pump. This is it right here, so it wasn't an easy job. First thing we have to do is to lose the tension, the belt's tension. And to do that, I didn't find any videos, but I contacted someone who replaced the pump and he didn't have it in his video, but I contacted him and he showed me. And it's the last pulley to the right. This is the belt right here. It's right under it. Ouch, that's hot. Let me show you. Alright, it's this one right here. It was connected to this right here. See that hole? I'm not sure if I just have to lose it or just to take it out. I took it out because I lost the screw. And it still actually was tight, so tight, so I took it apart. I just took the screw out. I'll try to get a better view right here. Yeah, this is it. This is the tensioner. Right here. So this is it. Lost the belt, tension. And this is the oil reservoir. I took out the line from this side, and it's this right here. Just take this metal line out from here, and the pulley's down there. Let me show you guys. Yeah, pulley's down there. This is the nut for it. I put this in the holes so I can hold it because the pulley will spin by itself, as you see. So I have to put it one in these holes right here to hold it while I unscrew it. And of course I have to hold it. I have to hold this and the ratchet at the same time to hold the pulley still while I unscrew it. But after it's loose, it's kind of easy to take out. So just good tip, just hold it. I'm left-handed, so I hold it this with the right hand and this with the left hand and try and I unscrew it. As soon as it get loose, it get easier. All right, so I got the screw out, bolt, and I'm just gonna keep this, and hopefully I don't want to lose. Okay, after tapping on it because it was really sitting tight on there, so I had to tap on it a lot of times, to be honest, to get it loose from the shaft. And now it's sliding out, and I dropped it. Alright. This is the pulley. Needs clean up. Yeah, it was. As you see, it's kind of really dirty. I had to use a WD-40 for the pump. As you can see, there's this right here. There's 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 1 is up here. You can't see with the camera, but it's only 3. 1, 2, 3. Get them loose, and it's really hard to get it out from this side. There's a line over here on this side connected to the pump, and it's connected right here. It's really hard to take it from that side, so what we're gonna do, take it from this side and take the pump from underneath the Humvee. So we're gonna go under it and pull it from there after we get this line loose and this one as well. All right, let's get this done with. So this is it. I don't know what they had on top of it, but I couldn't see it. Anything's like it's like a rubber on top of it or something like that. As you can see, this right here. Here, this one. Nope, can't see from here. From here. Just get it out. Right, reservoir, and this is the line. To be honest, my problem is with this Humvee is actually this line is cracked and it's start leaking my oil. So I was like, why not? Oh, this one actually and this one, both of them leaking. So I was like, let me just replace the whole power steering pump as well, and just make sure you keep these clamps. Don't forget them. And I tried to get this line out, but it was so hard to get it out. I don't know why. Can't get it. That's why I'm planning to take it out from underneath. Alright, so we got this old one. This is the new one. Everything looks identical. Even the numbers, this says 2002, which I believe it's the original one. It's never been replaced. This is 2008. Just a year. I think this is the year they made this one. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, they are identical, and I just had to get the new parts, put them on this one, and get it back in the Humvee. I love actually how they look. They are really good made. They cost a lot, but it's okay. New seats for the Humvee today, and new headlights, new LED headlights. I'm not gonna put these together yet until I clean up the Humvee and paint it. After I paint it, I will install. So easy. Wait.
Oh, wow, it's cool.
So what's going on, guys? Back to the Humvee project again. Today we're gonna replace the headlights with this LED headlights. They look amazing. I don't want to take the plastic off. They get scratched really quick. That's what I read from the internet. They get scratched really quick. So in this one, what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna cut these cables, these wires, and use the original headlights wires to connect them. I don't know why they have these cables with it. I mean, this is aftermarket. After all, so it's not made for Humvee, but it fits for Humvee, and I think we have to do a couple modifications to the mounts so it can fit the back and it will not have any gaps. Anyway, let's get it going. We have the new headlights cable. We have blue, black, and white cable. So I wrote down blue. Actually, the blue cable right here is the blue is the low, black is the ground, and the white is the high. So on the Humvee, the high is number 17, low is number 18, and the ground is 91. On these cables, we had the tag on them. So this is the 17, the tag right here. So this cable, we're gonna connect it to the white, which is the 17 is the high, and we're gonna do the same thing to the other cables. This one is the 18, which is the low. We're gonna connect it to the blue, and the ground we're gonna connect it to the black one. So I'm finally done with changing the headlights. They went pretty good. I love the new headlights. Actually, LED. They're so bright. Makes Humvee look much better. Gives it that aggressive look with these headlights. So I feel better now. Actually, feel better. Excuse the mess that on the wall and use the seats, but that's as you can see. I mean, it's a close range between the wall and the Humvee. I have a tiny garage, but I'm sure if we go outside at night. It's gonna be like a regular, good distance for these headlights. So I mean, it's better than the original one. It's better than the old ones. Just happy with the look on them. Here we go. I had to use the old wires from the old headlights and connect them to the new ones right here. Just I didn't have the signal. As you can see, the signals, I just kept them. I didn't change them to the headlights. I didn't have, I didn't want to cut the wires, and I don't think it's gonna work, even though I think it's the headlights signals that in here looks much better than this. But I think if I change it to the headlights, the turn signals, these are not gonna work, so they're just gonna be sitting here, not doing anything, and I don't like that. So I'm just gonna keep these. Okay, everything went pretty good.
Whoa.
My bullets! Love it!